All right, so what does $575,000 get you in Edgewater versus New Smyrna Beach? So today we're going to be looking at two different houses, one Beachside, New Smyrna Beach, and one in Edgewater, both listed at $575,000. Both come fully furnished, but what does one get you versus the other, and what are the pros and cons of living in both places? So again, we're going to look at a Beachside house at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square feet, $575,000. You step back into the 1960s or 70s, typewriter in there, a sewing machine in there, and some really old furniture.
Time capsule.
It is a time capsule, but it's right next to Flagler Avenue, golf cartable to Canal, the beach, Flagler Avenue.
An unbeatable location.
And an unbelievable location, but on a very busy road. But needs some renovations and cosmetic stuff. Then we're gonna have your listing, your brand new listing, which is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square foot home in Edgewater, also fully furnished, coming in at $575,000. Very nice, quiet road in a planned community, block home, big 2-story, a lot of square footage, and quiet neighborhood, but not as close to Flagler Avenue. So really compare and contrast on what $575,000 gets you between the locations, the two locations, and that's what we're gonna do today on this compare and contrast Edgewater versus New Smyrna Beach. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, you want to learn everything there is to know about living in New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas like Edgewater or Ormond Beach, Daytona Beach Shores, Ponce Inlet, or Port Orange, and you've come to the right place. My name is Matt Ecoff. I'm a local real estate expert. It's my beautiful wife, Rachel Ecoff. She's also a local real estate expert. That's my beautiful partner, Natalia, and she's also a local real estate expert. We're here to share everything from the best neighborhoods to the hottest spots around town. We cover everything from flood zones to school zones. Listen, we get phone calls, emails, text messages, and Zoom invites every day from people just like you wanting to move to the beach. So whether that be in 2 days, 20 days, or 200 days, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you move to the beach. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to get all the updates and notifications about New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas. Let's get on our tour today of $575,000 price point of New Smyrna Beach versus $575,000 in Edgewater.
Awesome, let's go. All right, we are at 535 South Peninsula. This is actually one of the least expensive homes on the entire island. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,400 square foot home. It does need some updating if that's your thing, or if you want to keep it as a time capsule home, you absolutely could. However, it is on a 10,000 square foot lot. So the lot is huge, and the potential for this to be a rental property is huge, also because we are on South Peninsula. We are in walking distance of Flagler Avenue. Also, the grocery store and stuff is just right on the other side of us, this direction. This is...
We're in the middle of everything.
We're in the middle of
everything.
everything.
So it would rent really well because it's very convenient, and especially for the price.
Yes, so at $575, this is our comparison house. We are in New Smyrna Beach, Beachside, and obviously Beachside has a lot to offer. So let's go see this home. And when I say
just point out, you do have a garage on Beachside.
When I say time capsule home, I mean that. This house really is pretty much the same as the day that they built it. However, all of the major things that you would need to do for this house, like the electrical, the HVAC, the roof, it was all done in 2026.
This year.
Yes, so all of your major stuff is done. It really is just cosmetic if you don't like the time capsule look. Also noted that this house does come with everything in it. So you basically could show up.
There's some really cool relics in here.
There is some really
cool stuff. I will say, like, there's some really neat stuff.
Okay, so we're just gonna do a quick tour run through of the home. Both bedrooms are on this side of the house. So bedroom 1
with the fake dog,
bedroom 2, and they have a bathroom that they share.
You can keep this tile. We've seen quite a few houses who have kept that title and did a mid-century modern theme.
I really love it.
I think it is so cool when they do that. So, is it outdated? Yes, but just keep the tile.
I don't know. I think it has a little bit of charm to it. Some of the older homes here, I love that people are updating. I love that people are renovating, but to keep some of the classic feel is really cool in New Smyrna. All right, so we're back in the beginning. Living room, dining room combo. Something that somebody said walking through this home recently was you could, because these are not load-bearing walls, you could take all of this out and make it just one giant room. But this has a lot of natural light. You'll notice that we don't have any lights on in here. This is the natural light that comes in, and then it has a true, real Florida room.
I'm really excited about this typewriter because it comes with the home. You could get a vintage typewriter.
And then it also has a true, real Florida room that opens up into this very, very large backyard. Look at this space back here. I mean, there is endless potential for this, and pool, spa, whatever you want to do back here.
You could have like a little lazy river going around the trees.
You could. Yeah, that's
how endless your possibilities are.
This backyard is huge. So, I mean, this is a great
10,000 square foot lot in total.
In total, yes. My cameraman, Matt, I'd like to point out really quickly, it has the original terrazzo throughout the entire home. It's just covered by this carpet. There's nothing wrong with it underneath. This was just an older couple that had lived here previously and they wanted the carpet. But imagine if you got rid of that and you had that terrazzo everywhere. Somebody's very lucky. Somebody's very lucky to have the terrazzo floors. So then it just is a wraparound into the kitchen area. You've got a small little eat-in kitchen, and then garage, and another really cutesy bathroom.
I love this tile.
I know.
Like so much.
It's really, really great.
It's blue.
Go see my cutesy bathroom. But a major, major thing of this home in particular is that it has...
The telephone.
It's the phone.
No, it's one.
You guys think I could dial someone on it? Should we try?
The landline.
I've never used a landline.
This is huge in New Smyrna Beach. I know we talk about it a lot, and maybe some of you who are not from
are
the
tired
area,
of us showing houses with garages and then saying it's so rare, but it really is.
It really is rare. This is a big deal. So every time we run into somebody who has a garage, especially on Beachside, I mean, this is a big deal. So I love it. Nice covered garage, really cute home. To recap on this home in particular, we're Beachside, New Smyrna Beach. This is $575. It is going to be smaller than the home that we're going to show you later. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but you're also getting accessibility to walking distance of all the shopping, bars, restaurants. Publix is walkable over here. I mean, if you need a vacation home or just a retirement home that's, you know, ready to go.
Or even if you're an investor, this is a great home that someone can scoop up, fix up a little bit, unless, again, you want a time capsule.
Yes.
Resell or rent out, and you're going to make that money back, I think.
Okay, so something that Matt pointed out as well as a comparison between Edgewater and this house here, you could literally sell your car, get a golf cart, and everything is accessible to you.
Be happy.
I mean,
a happy sailor.
You can walk everywhere from this home, you can golf cart everywhere from this home, and not even have to have a real vehicle. You could have a golf cart, and this property is primo for that.
Absolutely.
All right, we are in Edgewater, and our price point is $575.
Yes.
And this is Nataya's listing.
Okay, so this house, we are at 143 Old Mill Pond Road. It is a newer build built in 2020 by D.R. Horton before they stopped doing the concrete homes. So this is going to become a very rare opportunity. You're also at 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in a really nice community that does not flood at all. Something really important I also want to point out is this house is on the same power grid as the elderly home over there. So when they lose power, they legally cannot lose power for more than 15 minutes because it's on that same power grid.
Wow, that's a huge bonus. So any storms, anything that happens, they are getting power on first.
Like that.
Cool.
If they even lose power.
Okay.
They have said, you know, when Ian came through and when Milton came through, they had no issues with their power. They didn't flood at all. They got no water to the house. It was high and dry here and didn't lose power.
Awesome. That's really great news. So tell me, can you tell me some stuff about your listing?
We are at 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,600 square feet on a 9,000 square foot lot. It is a huge home, and it's in a really, again, nice community, very developed here. We also back up to a green belt, meaning no one can ever build behind you. The only houses that will ever be near you are your next door neighbors. We are in Edgewater, however. So while there is a Publix down the street from this house, a alcohol liquor store, there is Whistle Stop Park, which is a newly renovated park. Everything is right here. You're not golf cartable everywhere. You can't just stay at home with a golf cart. You have to have a car.
Yeah.
Although that does bring me to the next point. While you don't have any beach access in Edgewater, where this house lies and where a lot of homes in Edgewater lie, it is actually a shorter drive to the beach than it is for places like Venetian Bay. And some even Sugar Mill
that are actually in New Smyrna Beach.
So you still get to live a beach lifestyle here for cheaper, and you get so much more bang for your buck.
And we also share that school district as well, right?
Same school district. So here really is you just get more bang for your buck.
Yeah, you're getting more space,
not
a larger house,
golf cartable.
Nice neighborhood. You don't have all the same conveniences as saying like maybe if you lived beachside where you could walk to the beach, you could walk to shopping, and
you're still driving here.
You're still driving here, and New Smyrna is a little more walkable. You've got a lot of activities that you can do there. But I like that Edgewater is close enough that you can still access all those things, but you definitely need a vehicle.
Yeah, 100%. Okay.
All right, so we got an opportunity to look at in Edgewater at your brand new listing, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square foot home, in a master plan community, D.R. Horton build, block home. Huge.
One of the last block homes.
One of the last block homes, yeah. Very quiet neighborhood, a little bit out of the way, but again, that's part of being quiet, and shares the school zones with New Smyrna Beach and closer to New Smyrna Beach than a lot of areas in New Smyrna Beach, including Venetian Bay.
New Smyrna Beach,
and
Beachside specifically.
Yeah, exactly. And then we looked at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot home
on Beachside
that needed some renovations. That stepped back in the 1960s, but it was beachside. It was less than a mile from the ocean, less than a mile from Flagler Avenue, golf cartable to anything and everything. Literally sell your car
and Canal.
And Canal Street. So literally sell your car and move to that house. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. So tell me a pro and con about each of the houses for you.
I think the pro for the New Smyrna Beach one is the fact that you can sell your car. The con is it needs some work for sure.
Yeah.
Unless, again, you want to buy a time capsule. I think a pro for Edgewater is you get so much more house for your buck. But the con is it's not in that luxury beachside area of New Smyrna Beach.
Sure. What about you?
I think a pro for me for the beachside home is that also it has potential for rental. It has some things that Edgewater can't offer, like the rental potential, because it can be a vacation home or just a getaway home, and Edgewater isn't going to be able to offer you that same thing.
Yeah.
But a pro for the Edgewater is the space. You get more bang for your buck, and it's
a lot more bang for your buck. I mean, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, and 2,600 square feet versus a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and 1,400 square feet.
They're very different properties for sure.
Yep, both at the price point of $575,000, but it doesn't matter what we like or what we don't like. It matters what you like. So please tell us what your opinion is on the below comments, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Natalia's listing is a brand new listing, and the other listing has been on the market for a little bit, so I don't know if it will be here or not be here by the time that you're looking at this video. But anyway, listen, we get phone calls, emails, text messages, and Zoom invites every day from people just like you wanting to move to the beach. So whether that be in
2 days,
20 days,
or 200 days,
don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you move to the beach. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you get all the updates and notifications about New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas. Until next time, thanks for joining us on our comparison video today. We'll see you on the next one.